This is the question number 3.22 NCERT class 12 current electricity. Actually this is the additional exercise. Figure shows 3.33 a potentiometer with a cell of 2.0 volt and internal resistance 0.40 ohm maintaining a potential difference across the resistor wire AB. A standard cell which maintains a constant EMF of 1.02 volt for very moderate currents up to a few milliampere gives a balance point at 67.3 centimeter length of the wire. To ensure very low currents drawn from the standard cell, a very high resistance of 600 kilo ohm is put in series with it, which is sorted close to the balance point. The standard cell is then replaced by a cell of a known EMF and the balance point found similarly turns out to be at 82.3 centimeter length of the wire. So question to solve: first, or A, what is the value of E? B, what purpose does the high resistance of 600 kilo ohm have? And similarly C, D, E and F. Now come to the point, come to the calculation, come to the solution. So first of all, we have to draw the circuit of potentiometer. This is the wire of potentiometer AB and it is connected with the driver cell of 2 volt, internal resistance 0.4 ohm, like that, and here the cell of E1 and then E through the high resistance and then a galvanometer. This is the high resistance R, which can be short circuited using the key, otherwise can be used through the R. So this is the question. And first, what is the value of E? So first of all, to find out any solution, the potentiometer is based on the principle of the potential difference is directly proportional to the balancing length. So potential difference is directly proportional to balancing length means if this one is the balancing length like AC. So if any cell is connected here and then the galvanometer shows the null deflection, so this length is known as the balancing length. Null deflection means there is no any deflection produced by the galvanometer. So it is assumed as according to the question, given that the first balancing length L1 as according to the question and this one 67.3 centimeter. When the cell of EMF E1 is placed here, and now the next balancing length L, which is equal to 82.3 centimeter, and the initial EMF E1 and then the cell E. This one is already given 1.02 volt. So for this the balancing length is obtained L1. When it is replaced and now this one is placed here, so the next balancing length like obtained dot 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 the any other point. So this one is the E using E1 by E equal to L1 by L, and hence E equal to E1 into L by L1 equal to 1.02 into 82.3 by L1 67.3, and therefore E equal to whole value can be calculated and obtained like 1.25 volt. So this is the solution of 3.22a. Next question, 3.22b. What purpose does the high resistance of 600 kilo ohm have? So this is the resistance of 600 kilo ohm, and actually this high resistance is used only to protect the galvanometer, because any high resistance reduces the current, and when the current reduces, the galvanometer remains safe. So only to protect the galvanometer. Now next 3.22c, and this one is the balance point affected by this high resistance. So no balance point is not affected by any high resistance as like 600 kilo ohm. So this one is the no any effect in the balancing length due to the high resistance this much. So this is the C. And now next 3.22D, and D is the balancing point affected. So is the balancing point affected by the internal resistance? No. The balancing point is not affected. No. Balancing point is not affected by the placement or by the internal resistance of driver cell. So this is the 3.22D. Next one 3.22E, and this one is would the method work in above situation of the driver cell of the potentiometer had an EMF 1.0 volt instead of 2.0 volt. Just a minute. If the driver cell of potentiometer had an EMF 1.0 volt, so it is noted that this is the very important thing. The driver cell always be greater than the any cell which is connected in the circuit. So in this situation, in case of D, no arrangement is the arrangement will not work properly, and no balancing length is obtained. And last one 3.22, last point 3.22F. Would the circuit work well for determining extremely small thermocouple? If not, how will you modify the current? So very difficult to obtain, again the very difficult to obtain the balancing point, because in this situation the balancing point is very close to the point A, and if the high resistance is added in the series, so the sum balancing point can be obtained. Then if high resistance added, then the suitable balancing length may be obtained and error can be minimized. Important thing, error can be minimized. So thank you very much.